Hazrat Buraidah radiyallahu anhu states that a man visited the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and asked him about the prayer timings. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "You should perform the prayer with us." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then commanded Hazrat Bilal radiyallahu anhu to proclaim the prayer call when it was still dark and performed the morning prayer soon after the dawn broke. Then issued orders for the Zohar prayer when the sun passed the meridian, and passed orders for the Asr prayer when the sun was still high, commanded for the Maghrib prayer after the sunset, and commanded for the Isha prayer after the disappearance of twilight. Next day he sallallahu alaihi wasallam issued orders for Fajr prayer when the whiteness spread, issued orders for the Zohar prayer when it was cool, and commanded for the Asr prayer when the sun was white and bright without having a yellow tinge, and commanded to perform the Maghrib prayer before the twilight melted away, and commanded for Isha prayer after the passage of a third or a bit less of night. The reporter is in doubt. In the morning, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Where is the inquirer?" And then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The time of the prayer is in between what you observed." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 1391.